What is going on, guys? I know it's been a minute since I uploaded, but today we have my cousin's car. We're gonna start changing some axles for it. It's long overdue. As you can see, he only has one other set of the wheels on both sides, just the rear, because we still haven't rolled the fenders or done more work to it. I haven't even showed you guys all around, but for right now, yeah, we're just gonna get started. This is a 93, pretty much. It all does the same thing. All Honda Civics from 88 all the way to 2000, pretty much from the EGs, the EKs, the EFs, even the CRX, D series, B series, pretty much is all similar, even the H series. So we're gonna be replacing his axles, like I said, because his boots are also ribbed, and then they actually make like a rocky noise. So we're gonna start replacing that for him while he's still in deploy, in service for us. So let's try to knock this out real quick, and hopefully this light works. I know I always have bad lighting for you guys. We're gonna try to knock this out pretty quickly because we're gonna be using power tools and stuff like that. So let's get everything pretty much set up. So first things first, we want to do is jack up the car, pretty much, and then look for the right lug nut. After that, take it off. We'll get started from there. So we're gonna get started. Whoa. If I got some content, I'm gonna try to put for you guys. Let's see if I can show you guys. His axle. Oh, as you can see right there, complete torn. So that's why we're replacing them. So we gotta take out this 32 mil, and then we're gonna start removing the ball joints and stuff also to get more space, and we should be able to pop it out. So I don't know how good that angle is. So probably start removing this first. This is a 17. Also, there it goes. 17. Yeah. Let's go. There you go. Now we just gotta using the ball joint fork again, pretty much. And, go. There we go. Sorry. Oh. I don't know if you guys heard that bang, but it's already off. So now we just gotta get the axle out of here. Take out the axle now. Next. Easy. Easy. Now this should just pop up. Oh no, damn. I gotta remove the fork from the suspension. So I forgot. So you gotta remove that too, guys. Spaced out. Next time I'm trying to do this as fast as I can. And I'm forgetting to do things. So. So pretty much the fork is right here, it's a 14, you know. So let's see. So you also got the bottom one here, the like 17 mils. That one right there. There's a nut behind it, so you're gonna have to use like a key and a socket. Sorry. So. Okay, so then this just comes off. Oh no, not all the way out. So then just loosen the whole 14. Either if you've done it already, then loosen the whole 14. Fork comes off, just get it out of your way, and then this should just come down because you popped it off, hopefully. Oh, sucker, it went back in. There it goes. Oh, damn. He's gonna need a lower ball joint too. There you go. Push this off the side. Probably gotta hammer it to push it out. But as you can see, he's gonna need a ball joint also there too. So I just smack it. Just pop it out. There it goes. See? So then now, sorry guys. Oh wow. So now as you can see, the boot's completely ripped here. And then his ball joint is also ripped. So he's gonna need to replace this soon. So now we gotta get underneath the car. And then, well, probably just gonna hold the light myself. And then you're gonna see the transmission. It's right there. That's the axle right here. Right there where my finger's kind of pointing. You're just gonna put something in there, flathead, pry bar, and pop it out. And now that same thing with the rear. As you can see, completely greased out. So it's gonna be replacing. So it's similar on both sides. The only thing, B series is gonna have like another axle shaft pretty much. So it's gonna be, instead of a long one, it's gonna be a 2-piece. So you're gonna have to take out 3 bolts from the motor that is connected to, and then take that off, and then you should be able to remove the whole axle off the way. But let me try to get a pry bar on here and show you guys. Hopefully you guys can see. Fit the pry bar. The pry bar. Oh yeah, I did. Okay. And you just see how easy it is. There you go. Should just pop out. There it goes. So here you guys see, complete chaos and stuff. So let's go get the new one. We got them from Rock Auto. You know, pretty much it's a good spot to try to get parts for the low. Now, so you guys can see the differences. So yeah, so pretty much it's vice versa. I'm gonna show you guys how to put it in there and pretty much just put everything back together. But like I said, he is gonna need some ball joints. I'll let him know once he comes back. But he's slowly trying to put this car together, make it look prettier. And just like I said, he leaves out of town to service, and so when he comes, he kind of wanna wait for me so I could help him, show him how to install parts, kind of like the oil change and stuff. So after that, pretty much just like I said, after that, guys, it's pretty much the same thing. Oops, I'll just have you guys down here with the light here. Just try to fish the axle kind of the same way back in here until you could get this in there. Hopefully you guys can see, and then just until you guys hear a click, and then that's how you know you're pretty much good to go. There it goes. So pointing the axle now, and then he's been having these axles for a minute. Just I haven't had time with the whole new house stuff, and like trying to make time, like it makes it so hard to squeeze this job in here. Let me try to put it from the other side first. You guys heard that? It clicked. So then, once that's in there, now you gotta fish it in here to the other side. So once you guys hear that clicky noise, pretty much it's already in there. Now you just gotta get this in here. That's because the hold on, guys. I got it in there. Got it in there. I was trying to use technically like one hand. I wasn't cutting it. So pretty much let's just try to put the ball joint back in there. There we go. It's on there. Okay. Now we gotta put the fork back in. Remember, the fork has to be between the axle and the controller arm. So don't forget that. Go with the 14. Okay. And then one along. One. Okay. Now, just gotta button everything back up, guys. So, back with the 14. Kind of want to push that lip up. Oh, shit. Want to push that lip up. Can't have that lip. It's supposed to go all the way up. And then tighten it. Just can't really do it with two hands. So, this is a 14. So I'll put it now. Time to get this 17 on there. It looks like it's kind of, because it's want to come out. God damn it. Okay guys, wait, hold on. Here's my light, it's already turning red. As you guys can see, I already put the axle on. It's all tightened up. He has steelies, so technically, once I mount the tire, I could drop the car and still double check that it's tightened. And then once you do that, you kind of want to pinch a little, like a little notch right here for the axle, so just in case it could lock in there. And you can see, I put a clip back in here. Like I said, he has to strip that. I was kind of having issues with the ball joint, trying to get it bolted out because it just kept spinning. The way I did it was just put the wheel back in there, put the load back in the car, and then jack it back out, take out the wheel, and then you could use the gun and just, it bolts right up in there. So that is the next step that he needs to do. And pretty much that's how you replace the axle. Same thing with the passenger side, like I showed you guys. It's literally the same thing unless you have a B series. Even the K series, like I said, I have a input shaft, so you're gonna have to remove 3 bolts out of the motor, and that's where that axle will come off. But the way you stick it in there, I mean the way you popped it in there, that's how it goes. It just makes a pop noise. That means you're good, and pretty much you're all set to go, guys. So as you can see, I'm all sweating. Let me check out this light. I'm all sweating, and I'm just gonna knock out the other piece, the other side, and pretty much call it a day. So thanks guys. I know, like I said, I've been trying to do my best to upload as much as I can, but at least every Monday. But with my schedule, sometimes it's kind of tough with the new house and stuff. Like I'm still trying to take care of the new house. You can see my garage is not even done yet, so it's like, damn. So just bear with me guys. I'm doing my best to post more, and yeah guys, so catch you guys on the next one. Peace. I'm out.